What's up, guys? We're here with the Cats TrailWash Kit. This is the full kit. You need to buy the actual jug separately, so you can go on Amazon and purchase this. We can toss a link below. All his kit does have is all the accessories for it. The container is actually separate. So you saw we already had the tan box or a tan container. So this is the tan box kit right here. So we're gonna unbox this kit right here and show you all the goodies that come in it. He does have multiple different packages you can get with different features. This is the ultimate one, I believe. So it'll have the faucet and the shower kit all included. So I'll pull all the things out of here. Comes with cool little bags. Got the logo on there. This one's got the off-camera logo on there. Got the cool little shower guy. Little Sandy Cat showering. And then this is the batteries for it, I believe. So another little Sandy Cat sticker with the hat on. So it has Velcro here you can stick onto the container, and then the other side is already on the battery pack there. And then it comes with the little charger pack. It does come with full instructions in here, and it shows examples of how to set it up and how to wire everything. Recommended places to mount the things depending on how you're going to mount it in your vehicle. So let's unbox these things here. So here's the main part of the kit. So it comes with a new cap to replace the one that comes on the container there, so it blends in, replaces all the things there. This part goes down into the tank and grabs all the water for you. So we'll put all that together in a second, but first let me show you the rest of the features. And this is the added parts which make it the ultimate kit. So we have the standard hose. It's got different selections you can do there. This clips in with the coil on the actual hose. And then this is the shower hookup part. So this goes into the new cap that you get. Standard little shower setup. You can pause the water. Doing that, pretty much standard motorhome camping or whatever. And then this is the cool little mount you can stick on your window or the back of your truck. The shower head goes in here, holds it, and you can take your shower. I believe that's all. Oh, and there comes with like a little, I think this is the faucet. So this is a standard little faucet one to run like an actual hose, divert water wherever you want to go, run to its sink or whatever. So it's pretty cool. Oh, it's got the cool little logo on the bag and everything there too. So when you set this up, obviously unscrew this one and pull this cap off. And lost my knife already. It's all nicely packaged so it doesn't get damaged or bounce around in the box there. There you go. So here's where you put the attachments on. This is the black one right here is the power. Goes to the battery. And then this part just dumps into here. So you got that. A little pump in there. Stick that in. You have the same ring as on the original one. Just slide it over the threads. Put it on there flat. And thread it on in. So there you can take your sticky part of the tape. They recommend under the handle for certain locations and other ones on the side. I'm not sure where we're going to mount this thing on the vehicle yet, so I'm not going to stick it on quite yet. but I'll just show you the two little locations there. And then all the other things just clip into here. There you go, run it, and you want to switch it off to the other one. Just squeeze the little button here. Pops right off. You need to spray off your shoes or kids, whatever got dirty. Clip the next one in there. Whatever you do, it spins around in there. Pops right off. So it's pretty nice. It's a cool little setup. You can stop the stickers on there if you want. Yeah, definitely. For more information, check the box below, see all the links to everything. And I will be doing a real life situation, spraying down some stuff out in the wilderness pretty soon. So stay tuned for that video.